It's a good day for some hill repeats. Got some cloud cover. It is humid. It's very, very, very humid. All right, so my setup for today is a 5339. 1130 on the back. We're gonna try this out. It's first time riding these. Just want to see if it helps or hurts. So, about to go do the first repeat. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, first one felt okay, but I've also been off the bike a day, and so I don't know. But the last little bit felt like I had legs left, and it was still a decent time. So we'll see. First one's usually pretty good. Second and third, usually second's usually my slowest. Okay, 2 down, and that one definitely hurt more. It was about the same. We'll have to analyze it though. All right, third one hurt the worst, but I'm also tired. So I know the first two I was, excited, and so now the excitement's wearing off, and I was like going back to work. But first one was 7:12, second one was 7:10, third one was 7:20. So I'm only 10 off of my second one and 8 off of my first. It's not bad. Okay, fourth one down. That hurt, but it's still decent. I mean, I was going pretty good. I think I'll look at the numbers when I get home. Ouch. Done.